Hey, would you do us a favor and just a quick prayer for us as we close?
Yes, absolutely. Man, well, Lord, you are amazing. Thank you for choosing us and trusting us to build your kingdom here on earth in this time where the world seems to be going crazy in some areas. You trusted us to be here now. And so as we just think about our intimacy with you, I just pray that you would reveal to us areas that we can go deeper with you, that you can reveal to us areas that we can invite you into, and that we would be mindful of the areas where you're inviting us into a deeper relationship with you. And so, God, I thank you that you would move the heart of those people that are listening to maybe start a fast for the first time, or maybe fast for longer than they've ever fasted before, because there's just a desire and a desperation for a move and an encounter of you. And so for those people, God, we just celebrate in advance everything that intentionality that those fasts are going to produce in their lives, in the lives of the people around them. And so, God, we just submit it all to you. We thank you that we're going to go deeper spiritually, that we're going to go deeper physically, emotionally, mentally, and that your spirit cares about all of those things. And so as we pursue community, as we pursue you, as we pursue your presence, as we pursue your will for our lives, I thank you that we wouldn't grow weary in good doing, and that you would come and get the glory. It all belongs to you, Jesus. We love you. We honor you. Thank you for this amazing conversation. Thank you for this platform and this podcast that's reaching people all over the world with the good news of you in health and wellness and spirituality and family and marriage and all of the things, God. We love you, and we say that this platform is yours. In Jesus' name,